bust out laughing.
No head. What was that all about?
I had no idea, but he was growling. I think he's having a ball.
Come on.
Come on.
Are you hitting? Who's hitting that? Not so rough. Who's making that noise?
He is.
I think he likes the one you got. He said, let me play with it. I want it. I want that. Look, they both got it.
Uh-huh. He's like, oh, no one saw that. Ooh, no one saw that. Rango, I saw that.
Look at this one.
God.
Look at this one.
He is cute.
Evie, look at this one.
Holy moly.
That was good.
He's okay, I'm down now. I had too much fun playing.